Welcome back to 10 Slate Info. It's good to hear news regarding France and India planning to work on India's fifth generation fighter engine program, and the same was confirmed by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh as well. Even though not much details have been shared about this, it is confirmed that Safran Aircraft Engines of France will be working along with the Indian companies to come up with this new engine. If we revisit the offering from Safran has offered its Snegma M88 series of cores to be used for the development of this new engine, for which they are ready to even do the transfer of technology. It is said that the new engine which would be developed would be based on the Snegma M88-3 turbofan engine, but this might change due to the recent conclusion. Even though Safran offered help with regards to co-developing the indigenous Kaveri jet engine program, it was later stalled due to technological challenges. Now, since France is going to be the partner in developing the 110 kN thrust engine for the future 5th generation and advanced fighters of India, the Defense Research and Development Organization is planning to set up a new complex to develop these engines. As per the defense sources, it is said that Safran Aircraft Engines and the Indian companies will merge their experiences to develop the new engine that will be a hybrid one using both vital technologies of French M88 and India's Kaveri engine. The experience of Safran Aircraft Engines, which were used to develop various variants of M88 engines, and the experience and the mistakes which were done while developing the Kaveri engines would be collaborated and aligned for a technology which would help in developing the new engines with all required parameters and expectations. According to France, the M88 has demonstrated its exceptional capability on the Rafale fighters, which has been deployed by French Air Force and Navy. Its performance has also earned export contracts for the Rafale from Egypt, Qatar, India, Greece and Croatia. One more vital thing which India is seeing while developing the new engine is its latest technology concepts. Safran does have an answer for the same. The Safran Aircraft Engines' advanced technologies such as integrally bladed powder metallurgy discs, single crystal high pressure turbine blades with ceramic coatings, and also thermostructural composites makes the M88 a regularly upgradable engine. As a result of Rafale's recent sales success, Safran Aircraft Engines has been modernizing its industrial facilities to meet demand from French and export customers. So if India collaborates with such an active company which has a good order book, will obviously get all new technologies while working on India's indigenous engine. It is good that the engine development discussion has taken one more consideration, and it's a good sign that France has been almost finalized as a co-developer for India's most awaited engine program. So let's expect the jet engine technology, after a brief pause, again sees rapid growth in adoption of newer technologies in this field, and India comes up with this new engine at the earliest. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slate Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.